Good morning everyone. Today is Saturday and I thought that I would film myself while I clean my apartment because my apartment's been very messy lately. So today's going to be a chill day and yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching me clean. I'm done sweeping my floor. Who knew sweeping was so tiring? But next, I'm going to clean it by mopping it with these wet wipes I got from Daiso. The way I'm going to do it is to put these on my sandals and then just skate on my floor. cleaning, yes! After 2 hours of cleaning and sweeping, collecting dust on my hands, I'm finally done with my apartment. Know that even though my apartment is not big, I'm the only one cleaning it, and it's so gross. I have so much hair and dust just laying around on my ground floor that I don't even notice. And then I like cleaned the windows and I wiped off the dirt on the outside of these windows. You can actually open it. I haven't cleaned it like since last year because I never opened my windows during the winter. But then I opened it again, and when I cleaned it, it was just all black dirt on the wet wipe. So that was kind of gross. Now that I'm done, I'm going to shower. And so it's been a couple hours after I showered and laid in my bed. I'm going to eat some spicy ramen. I'm also going to fry some tofu because I've had this in my fridge for a long time, and I like eating tofu when it's deep fried. So I'm gonna do that and then mix it in with my noodles, and yeah, we can have dinner together while I suffer. I have my dinner with me. I'm going to eat this. I don't know why, but I just feel like eating spicy food tonight. So let's go ahead and mix this and give it a try. I know it's delicious, but it's also very spicy. It's strange. I feel like it's not spicy. Maybe because I put a lot of stuff in there, or has it hit me yet? It'll eventually build up. So I've been living in Korea for like the past 5 to 6 months. Overall, happy with my experience here. In terms of my workplace, no, I'm not happy there. So I'm trying to find a new job and leave. No matter where you work, hagwons tend to mistreat and overwork their English teachers. So I'm going to try to steer away from that if possible and try to apply for the public program. So in Korea, they have the EPIC program. I'm going to try to apply for that and see if I can accept it. If not, then I'll go find another job at a private academy. But I'm really scared of going to another private academy, because I'm scared they're going to just use and abuse and make me do all this extra work that's unpaid. I really do like where I live and I like the kids and I do like teaching English, but the conditions, no, never, ever. I would never, no, I would never recommend it. I would never do another year with them because it's super intense and like stressful, and I cried, you know, just from like due to the conditions of the work environment that I was at. It was like very stressful. And it's not that I don't like my team managers or I don't like my coworkers. I do like them. And at this point, I know that nothing's going to change, so I'm just gonna have to move on. If anything, it's about the people who have higher power and authority. They're the ones who's making the decisions and like doing all these things that are affecting, you know, the people below them. In turn, it's affecting us, the foreign teachers. Yeah, definitely not going to miss that place. I'll miss my friends, but that's it. The one advice I would give to people to come to Korea to teach is read your contract carefully, okay? Read that, because they'll try to say this or that, take away your days, make you do more work when you're not supposed to. There's a lot of holidays, Korean holidays, where foreign teachers have to work. And everybody has those day offs, but for some odd reason, it's okay to make English teachers work on public holidays. And I just find that outrageous. if you have really good TMs like I do, they try to make it fair, but if you're at a place where your TMs, they don't care, they'll just give you all the work. And that's why you need to double check your contract and make sure you negotiate. I'm going to try to apply for public schools because I don't care about the pay. Yes, private academies do pay you higher, but that is basically to compensate you for all the bullshit and all the work that you have to do and deal with. So I would strongly recommend trying public first because it's run by the government, so your pay will always be on time. If you have any problems, you can always go to Epic for that. And it's much safer. Like, you might be put in the middle of nowhere, but if you're at a private academy, they could just like throw you away. I decided that I would much rather work at a public school with lower pay but better benefits, you know? You get public holidays, and honestly just want my contract to be done and over with. And the thing about private English academies is that the parents, especially the moms, they always come first because they are the paying customers. So if you ever screw up at anything, they're gonna put you as a scapegoat. Even if you're not wrong, they're going to blame you. The easiest thing they could do is just fire you. I realize that the reality is that there are so many foreigners who wants to come to Korea to be an English teacher, so they are never going to run out of labor, and that's why labor can be so cheap and affordable. So they would much rather fire or not hire veteran teachers or improve the working conditions so that veteran teachers decide to stay, because they don't want to deal with foreigners who want to improve working conditions, who wants better benefits, more vacation days, all the things that they should deserve. You do need to realize that a lot of their English education here is based on test taking. So not only is it inefficient, it's also very boring to teach. And it doesn't like help Korean students to like develop the English conversational skills that they need unless they like pursue it in like high school and college and actually have foreign friends to practice speaking. On the brighter note, my sisters are going to be visiting me in Korea, and we plan to go to Busan together. So that would be exciting. I get to see the beach again. I've been to Busan when I first came here like 3 years ago, but I think I only have like a day and a half here. This time I'll have like maybe 2 days to spend there, but that should be enough time to explore what we want to explore. And before my battery dies and I run out of memory, I want to say thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!